Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest, my best friend Jasmine. So today we're going to be doing her hair, and we're going to be doing box braids in her hair. We are going to be adding weave, of course. So first I'm just starting off by parting her hair. And by the way, this isn't the first time that I've done box braids on someone else's hair. I've done it on my sister's hair before, but I've never done it on someone with this texture hair. So we're just gonna see how this gonna go. The most difficult process of doing braids to me is the parting. As you can see, she got hella hair, and I don't mean the length, I mean how thick it is. So it's just a lot to try to part the hair. And the weave that we have is not pre-stretched, so I am going to have to stretch it and then put it into the section. So with her hair, I tried to do the box braid the normal way, but it seemed like it's easier if I do the rubber band method. I wish I would have done large braids because this is taking forever. Because of how long and tedious this was, I had just decided to rubber band the whole head before I finished braiding. And also, I was ready to go to bed, so we had continued this the next day. But day one was 4 hours, so that's how long it was taking. Day two was around the same time too, but it was quicker because, we were just braiding, so it wasn't that long or tedious. Alrighty, so on to the next day. So this part is super easy, especially when you're doing the rubber band method. So first you just have to divide the hair, make it into 3 sections, and then divide the weave into 3 sections, or vice versa, whatever. But with her texture of hair, it was kind of hard to grip the weave. So what I did was put the weave around, well, kind of like wrap it around the rubber band part, and then try to braid it down. That's so that I can actually have a grip, and it'll create like that little ball look that you see when people are doing braids with I guess the knot or whatever. So that'll create the little knot look for you. So then once you wrap it around and it's super tight, then that's when you just start braiding the hair down, and then you'll be connecting the 3 pieces with the actual hair. So again, divide the hair into sections, wrap the weave around the hair, and then once you got a nice firm grip on it, connect the weave to the hair. So I'm guessing the chips was fire. So then once I got the hair all the way down, I just had her finishing the ends. Okay. So it is 2 o'clock in the morning, and we still have to just braid the ends because Jasmine had to take a break while I was still braiding. She wasn't, but I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna just show you what the finishing product looked before we cause we're gonna burn the ends of them. We already put the glue on the ends. Like you put the glue on the ends right. I want my family pictures in there. You put the glue on the ends right here, and then either you could let this stay or you could burn them off. So we're gonna burn them off. And here's the results though. So they're like small to medium size. My face super greasy. Yeah. Dangle the neck, you know, I have to come back to those because you have to really grip that part of the hair because it's really like thin and you want to make sure that you're not damaging it by putting too much hair back there. That's why these probably the smallest braids that we have. So now, right now, we're just checking to see if any one of the braids needed to be braided down further. Look like we got everything back here. And when you braid the braid down, you want to make sure that you're braiding it the same way so that you don't mess up the pattern and that so like it's not messy and clumpy and that so like the braid is not twisted. So just make sure that you braid it down the exact same way.
Because we didn't.
Yeah, so I left her to finish the rest because she was taking too long and I was tired. And like I said, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, then we are all done. She decided to add the little jewelry pieces into her hair to make it look cuter. But yeah, we're done. These are like extra long, small to medium size braids. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to go ahead to Jazz's page and subscribe to her and her boyfriend's channel. Thank you. Bye.